Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Previous video we saw exercise 2.1. I hope you solve properly, right? Today we are going to see page number 27. Take out page number 27. See, always remember whenever the videos are you are watching videos, keep your notebook and textbook with you. Not only mathematics but all for all subjects. Understand? Okay. Today we will going to see page number 27 revision exercise. Okay. Let's see. First question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You fill in the blanks. See A. C can be subtracted from. C can be subtracted from. No options are there. Dash and dash. We know that C means 100, Chaman, right? It can be subtracted. If you see the previous videos, I mentioned clearly smart tips, right? If you learn, then you are able to solve this answer. C can be subtracted from M and D because we are writing CD, CM, CD, right? Means 1000 minus 100. CM means 900. CD means Dipali madam is 500. 500 minus 100. 400. Means we can subtract C from M and D. So first answer is M and D. Understand? Now question number 2. Sorry, B. Symbol dash dash and dash are never repeated or subtracted. Symbol dash dash and dash never repeated or subtracted. Repeated or subtracted. Understand? Which one? We cannot subtract or we cannot repeat. See the V, L and D. Are you able to repeat V? Fine. Suppose you want to write 10. We have a special symbol for 10. You cannot write V 2 times or 3 times. If you want to write 15, you cannot write V 5 plus 5 plus 5. Means V cannot never be repeated or cannot be subtracted. Understand? We cannot write like this. Vx means 10 minus 5. We cannot write 5 like this. Understand? Means we cannot repeat or subtract V. Likewise L. If I want to write 100, I cannot write L 2 times. L 50 plus 50 100 Wrong. Because we have a special number for 100, that is 7. C. Understand? So, and D also, we cannot repeat or subtract D. Got it? If you learn that one, it's very easy to solve. That's why I say learn. Okay. Now x can be subtracted from, see, x can be subtracted from dash and dash, dash and dash. See, x can be subtracted from dash and dash. See how we are writing 40, Alex? How we are writing 90? XC. So L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. If I want to write 40, then 50 minus 10. I write like this. If I want to write 90, 7 is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. XC 90. Understand? Means we cannot write dx 500 minus 10. We cannot write like this. That's why x can be subtracted from L and C only. Understand? Okay. Then question number 2. Write the following in ascending order. This is very important. I will rub it. Shall I rub this? Okay. Now see. This is very important. Ascending, descending. Given in Roman numerals. First we have to convert it into Hindu Arabic. Understand? See. Question number 2. Write the following in ascending order. Write the following in ascending order. What is by ascending? I said smaller to larger or smaller to bigger number. That is called ascending order. Opposite of ascending, descending order. Bigger to smaller. D stands for descending, D stands for dhatka. Okay, let's see. A. I will solve A. You have to solve B. Okay. XC, XC, XCV, XCV, XCII, XCII, L, XXIX, L, XXIX, and XLIX, XLIX. Arrange it ascending order. While arranging Roman numerals in ascending or descending order, what I said, first you will have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numeral. How to convert? I gave a rules. And what I said, pairing. Once you pair it, then it is very easy. Let's see how to pair. XC is there one pair, means 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, 90. Then XC one pair, V another pair. XC means 90 we saw here. 90 plus V means 5. 90 plus 5, 95. So this is 95. Again XC is there one pair and II. XC means 90. II means 2. 90 plus 2, 92. Then L means 50. 10 plus 10, 50, 60, 70. This is one pair. And IX that is 10 minus 1. I means 1, x means 10. If you put smaller symbol left side of the bigger symbol means subtraction. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 9, 79. And this is XL means 40, 50 minus 10, 40. And this is x minus 1 means 10 minus 1, 9. 49. This is XL means 40, IX means 9, 49. Now tell me, now we want to find out a smallest number. Which is the smallest one? 90 or 95, 92, 79 or 49? Yes, 49. Means this is put here number 1. Next 79. Here put 2. Mark there with pencil. Then 90, 92 or 95. 90. This is number 3. Then 92. This is number 4. And 95. This is number 5. Okay. Now how to write answer? Answer. Don't write in answer Indo-Arabic numbers. Understand? Yes. What is question? In question, Roman numerals are given. We have to give answer in Roman numerals only. So first, X L R X. X L R X. You can put this side also is less than, or else you can put comma. Then number 2, L X X R X. L X X R X. Then put comma. Number 3rd, XC. Write XC. Number 4, XCII. That is 92. And last one, highest number is XCV. That is XC means 90, V means 5, 95. Understand? Are you able to solve B? You have to solve B. Okay. Now next is question number 3. Write the corresponding Indo-Arabic numeral. Write the corresponding Roman numeral. Means write the corresponding Indo-Arabic numeral. Third one is Indo-Arabic numeral. Okay. I will solve. There are 3 examples. I will solve one. You will have to solve remaining. Which one? You tell me. Okay. Let's see. B. C X L I I. C X L I I. What I say, while converting Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals, pair it. See, I will pair now. C is different. XL 1 pair and I 3 pairs. So what is meant by C? C means 100. Chaman sir. XL L means Lucy madam 50. 50 minus 10. Understand? 50 minus 10, 40. I 2 times means 1 plus 1, 2. Add 2, 4, 1. 142. So C XL I means 142. 142. Understand? Are you able to solve? Remaining you will have to solve. Then question number 4. Write the corresponding Roman numerals. Fourth one, write the corresponding Roman numerals. Understand? Now see. Okay. A answer means here 198. 198. Here we have to convert Indo-Arabic into Roman numerals. Understand? Now, what I said, how to convert Indo-Arabic into Roman numerals? Yes, expanded form, right? Ones place, tens place, hundred place. What is the place value of 1? 1 is in 100 place. 1 multiplied by 100. 100 plus 9 is in tens place. 9 multiplied by 10. 9 tens are 90 plus 8. 8 is in ones place. 8 ones are 8. So, which symbol is for 100? Yes, Chavan sir. So C 90, how we are writing 90? Chavan sir minus x means x C 90 and 8 5 6 7 8 means C x C V I 198. Understand? So here you have to solve remaining, and whichever multiple choice question you have to solve. Okay, thank you.